The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for northern Smith County in Middle Tennessee, east central Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, southern Macon County in Middle Tennessee, Trousdale County in Middle Tennessee, until 7:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:41 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Castalian Springs, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Hartsville, Pleasant Shade, and Dixon Springs. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.